Assalamualaikum. Here is Zainab. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. Today's headlines. A Republican lawmaker has moved a bill in the 117th Congress seeking to strip Pakistan of its status as a major non-NATO ally of the United States. Democrat Raphael Warnock won one of the gorgeous two Senate runoffs on Wednesday, becoming the first black senator in his state's history and putting the Senate majority within the Democrat reach. Independent power producers have cast off a payment plan offered by the government for partial settlement of their dues and demanded at least 50% upfront cash payments before signing formal agreements for tariff discounts. Towering paceman Kyle Jamieson completed an 11-wicket match haul on Wednesday as New Zealand thrashed Pakistan in the second test to become the world's top-ranked then. Bitcoin traded above $35,000 for the first time in Asia, rising to a high of $35,879 and extending a rally that has seen the digital currency rise more than 800% since mid-March of 2020. Oil prices rose to their highest since February 2020 after Saudi Arabia agreed to reduce output more than expected in meeting with allied producers. While industry figures showed United States crude stockpiles were down last week, the Consulate General of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan has written a letter to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs requesting that the bodies of 3 Afghan citizens among the 11 killed in mountainous Bolan district 3 days ago be transferred back to Afghanistan. Several roads in Karachi were blocked as protests continued for a second day and spilled over to different areas of metropolis against the killing of Shia Hazara miners in the Much area of Balochistan earlier this week. Criticisms of India's approval of a local COVID-19 vaccine without proof of its efficacy grew after news that a regulatory panel approved the shot just 1 day after asking the vaccine maker for more evidence it would work. The England cricket team all passed coronavirus test after all-rounder Moeen Ali was found to have COVID-19 and have been cleared to start restricted training in Sri Lanka, spokesman said. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.